Hello, what's up, my people? It's your guy MKFX. It's really been long that I posted a video on this channel, and I'm so sorry for that. I had a break to work on something, and fully I am back. So today we are going to be looking at the analysis of USD Chef. As you all can see, I already have a buy prediction on USD Chef, and why am I buying USD Chef? So let's do this analysis together. First of all, let me clear all drawings. Let me remove all drawings and we analyze this together. We are going to do a top and down analysis to see why I am buying this particular pair. So let's start from the weekly time frame. Let's start from the weekly time frame on this. Now, on the weekly time frame, what can we see? Normally, we can see that the weekly time frame overall is on a downtrend. The weekly time frame overall is on a downtrend. And if you want to mark out our structures, we are going to see that we have this uh, break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. Okay, we have this break of structure. We have this break of structure here. We have this other break of structure. We have this other break of structure here. Rather, I'll choose this one. I'll rather choose this one and not this. I don't consider this as a pullback. So we have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. Now, we have this last low here. We have this last low here. We have this last low. And we see that price has not yet taken this low. Price has not yet broken below this low. So now the question is, where are we heading to? Like, where are we going to? Now, let us mark our origins of each and every break of structure. We see that this break of structure was caused by this high. It was caused by this high. And if I take this high to the left, you see that it's not yet mitigated, but I'll just keep it that way because we have other break of structures to the downside. And I have this other break of structure here, which was caused by this other block. And you see it's already mitigated to the downside. So now the question is, this other high has not yet been able to create a break of structure and price is heading to the upside. The question is, where is price heading to? Where is price heading to? Let us go down to the daily time frame and add more information and see what price is really doing at this point. So on the daily time frame on this, what do we see? What can we see? Now we can see that this long move to the downside had a varieties of break of structure to the downside. This was a downtrend to the downside, and you can see we had a shift in market structure or a change of character at this point. This is where the uptrend ended. This is where the uptrend ended. We had a change of character here. We had a change of character here. Then from here now, we started having a break of structures to the downside. At this point, we had this break of structure, which I will consider this here. All right, I'm going to consider that as a break of structure. I'm going to consider that as a break of structure. Then after that break of structure, we had this other break of structure. We had this other low here. We had this other low. I won't even consider as a break of. Let me just allow it there. Now you can see that what after this low we had this high and this happened here. Take a look at this zone. We had a range at this point here. We had a range, which price range between this zone and this. Price range between this zone and this other zone and break above. Now, where is the origin that caused this impulsive move, this break of structure? Where is the origin that caused this break of structure? We can spot out that it is from here. This is the origin that caused that break of structure. So we know that USD Chef should at least buy right up to this point, mitigate this before selling back to the downside to take out this lows. Now, the question is this a valid order block? Yes, it is a valid order block. Why? It was able to create a new low. It was able to create a new low. It gave us an imbalance and an impulsive move to the downside. So it makes it a very valid zone. So we know that USD share is going to gradually go up here before selling back to the downside. So now the question is, how do we pick our entries? Because this is a very big move. We can see this is about 189 pips movement. So we can try to catch that 189 pips before selling back to the downside. So let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame where we get our entries and see what we get there. All right, you can see that here was the range on a USD chef. Here was the range, and you see that price was able to break above this range here. Then it retested and it is moving to the upside, giving me a series of higher highs and higher lows. So let us mark structure. You can see that at this point we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure at this point. Excuse me. All right, we have a break of structure at that point, and we have another break of structure at this point. And we have another break of structure at this point. Now, where are the origins of this break of structures? Where are the origins of this break of structure? We'll see that, and at this point here as well, we have another break of structure at this point. At this point here, you can see that we have another break of structure here. So, where are the origins of this break of structures? Let me go to the 2-hour time frame so you can see it clearly. All right, on the 2-hour time frame, I guess it is better. Now, where is the origin of this break of structure? This first break of structure, we see that the origin is here. The origin is here, and price have not yet tapped into it, so it's an unmitigated order block, which definitely price is going to get back there. Where is the origin of this one? It is this. This is the origin here. This order block here is the origin, and price have not yet gotten here, which means price will definitely come back here one day. And now we have a new break of structure, which its origin is from here. Here is the origin. The origin is clearer on the 4-hour time frame. All right, here's the origin here on the 4-hour time frame. So here is our origin on the 4-hour time frame for this break of structure. So we have this zone, and what do we expect? We expect that price should retrace back down to this zone, mitigate this other block, then continue its movement to the upside. Now we are going to be buying USD share from this zone. If price retraces back there, we are going to be buying USD share, and our take profits is definitely going to be this high here, which is serving as liquidity before our real point of interest, which is this. So we are going to be buying right up to that point. So here is my full technical analysis on USD share. Here's my full technical analysis. My SL will just be below the order block, about 18 pips, about 18 pips. No, not 18, 22 pips. And my TP up here, 193 pips. So here is my full technical analysis on USD share. Here's my full technical analysis on USD share. If you watch this video right up to the end, please give me a subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Drop everything you want to know about Forex or any video you want me to do concerning Forex down the comment section, and I'm going to do this for you. If you love this analysis and you want to know more, join my Telegram community. The link is down on the description of this video. Join my Telegram community where you get free signals and also free mentorship, which is running right now. Ciao. Have a blessed trading career.